Hello, I wanted to do a super quick yoga flow with you. So this is for the times when you literally have like 10 minutes and that's it. You just need to get in and out. You need to warm up through the body in a couple of ways, and that's what we're gonna do. So we'll start in a downward facing dog. Middle fingers facing the top of the mat, tucking the toes and lifting the hips. Pushing down through the index finger and the thumb, rolling the underarms together across the chest. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Shake the head yes, shake the head no, let it all go. Inhale, right toes to the sky, three-legged dog. Exhale, bend the knee, open up the hips. Draw the right heel towards the buttocks, towards the butte, and then inhale, straighten through the top leg. Exhale, step between the hands, lower the back knee down, untuck the back toes. Inhale, arms rise. And then exhale, hands frame the front foot. Step back through your vinyasa. Option to lower the knees or option for one-legged chaturanga. Elbows stay tucked in. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Let's go for the left. Inhale, left toes lift. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Heel to butte. Inhale, extend the top leg. And then exhale, step between the hands. Lower the back knee down, lift the heart. Untuck the back toes. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands frame the front foot. Step back through vinyasa. Option to lower the knees or one-legged chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, child's pose, back edge of the mat. Knees spread wide, hips to heels, fingers lengthen and spread forwards. Inhale, roll forward, seal pose. Allow the knees to stay where they are, the feet come out off the mat and lifting up through the heart space. Coming up onto the fingertips, engaging through the glutes, engaging through the core and rolling the shoulders down the spine. Inhale. Exhale, back to child's pose. Knees stay where they are, feet come together, hips to heels. Inhale, move forwards. Seal pose, feet come out, hips lower, engage through the glutes and the core. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, up dog. Feet stay together, knees come together and lift off the earth. Thighs lift, heart opens. Inhale. Exhale, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Inhale, right toes lift, three-legged dog. Exhale, step between the hands. Come up onto the fingertips. Inhale, rise, crescent lunge. And then exhale, goddess pose, left side of the mat. Right knee faces top edge, left knee faces back edge, hips lower down, hands to heart. Inhale as you rise. Exhale, warrior two, looking over the front fingertips. Inhale, flip reverse. And then exhale, hands come down, frame the front foot and step back, downward facing dog. Push through the palms, lift the front foot up so that it can quietly step all the way back. Inhale, left toes lift, three-legged dog. Exhale, step between the hands, lift the chest, come up onto the fingertips. Inhale, crescent lunge, arms rise. Exhale, goddess pose, right side of the mat. Hands to heart. Inhale, through standing. And then exhale, warrior two. Inhale, flip reverse. Exhale, hands come down, frame the front foot, push down through the palms, lift the front foot up and step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward, step or jump top edge of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise all the way to stand. Maybe a cheeky back bend. And then exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Weight comes into the heels, palms face in, fingers extend. Exhale, hands through center, find a twist. Left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Hands come to the chest and looking up towards the right edge. Look down and make sure your knees are in alignment with one another and then sink the weight back into the hips. Inhale through center, chair pose. Exhale, twist to the left. Right elbow hooks outside the left knee. Looking down, making sure the knees are hugged in. Hands to the center of the chest. Weight into the heels. Inhale through center. Exhale, forward fold. Relax through the back of the head, through the neck. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, come into a toe squat. Lift the heels, the hips will sink back to the heels, and the hands come to the heart space. Inhale, curl forward, heels come down, buttocks comes down, find a half boat. Inhale. Exhale, extend, low boat. Inhale up. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale. Let's double pace. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back up. And then exhale, find your seat. Pistol gripping the big toes or choosing to grab the outer edges of the feet. Extend the legs up in front of you. Pull the shoulders together across the top of the back. Lift the heart. Choose to stay here, or if you feel like challenging yourself, maybe spreading the legs apart and trying to balance up onto the sits bones with the heart expanding forwards. So the spine's nice and straight, not curled. Inhale. And then exhale, bring the feet back together and release back down. We'll open up through the hips. Taking the right knee towards the top edge of the mat, hooking the right foot to the outer left hip, and then choosing to stack the left knee on top of the right, finding cow face pose, or choosing to stack the shins in front of one another if this is a bit intense, because it is quite an intense pose. Pulling the fleshy part of the sit bones out from underneath you so that both sit bones are flat on the earth, or choosing to sit up onto a block. From here, you can start to fold forward, hinging at the hips, drawing the heart towards the top edge of the mat. Walking the hands back up. Hands come behind you, releasing and swapping over. Again, taking your variations, so it doesn't have to be full cow face pose. The knees don't have to be stacked, but if they do stack, keep drawing the feet away from the body for a deeper stretch into the hips. And then hinging forwards, stretching it out. Inhale, come up through a seat. Hands come behind you. Releasing, shaking the legs out. And then finding a seat. Hands come to the heart space, eyes closed down, palms pressed together. And we'll take 2 long, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Blink and open the eyes. There you have it. Namaste. Go get on with your day.